Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the today's episode of Hot Wheels 2021 Mix 1 Team Transport. So I'll be showing you the three vehicles that Hot Wheels released as part of their team's transport for 2021 under Mix 1. So the first product in the series is what you see here, which is the Lancia Racing, which comes in the Gulf livery. So what you get here is the Lancia Rally 037 car and the Euro hauler. So as you can see, it comes with the Gulf livery, very nicely detailed. Even the car looks really nice. So if I show you the car, these are the details on the car. The liveries, the Gulf livery comes in pretty nice colors. There are some nice liveries on the side of the car as well, and the rims are quite nicely done as well. So the rims comes in orange color, which complements the Gulf livery, and also it has a silver outing to the rim, as you can see in the video. So if you take a look at the Euro hauler, you also have the same set of outer lining, which has a silver color to the rims of the truck. So overall, it's a pretty detailed looking, a bit heavy team transport set. So as you can see, the interior is also orange color, which complements the Gulf livery on the exterior color of the Euro hauler. So if you take a look at the rear side of this packaging, you can see this is the Hot Wheels Team Transport 2021 Mix 1. So the first set is the Euro hauler with the Lancia Rally 037 car, and the second set will be the Nissan Skyline GT-R 32 with the Sakura Sprinter, and the final set in this release will be the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone with the Ford C800 hauler. So I'll be reviewing these two sets as well because I've got them. So if you like this video, make sure you click the like button, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. So when I upload the remaining videos, you will get notified. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned.